1, 2, here. Oh, go down. Go back around. Go on.
You're so tall. Okay, here. Let's try just a roll. Just a roll.
Okay, ready? Set, go. Okay, I'll make it easy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh,
I didn't know I was supposed to catch her.
Yeah, you was. On the other side, when you have to catch her.
Okay, don't catch her. Don't catch her because that's slowing it down too.
You think so?
Yeah. When you do this and then come bring it back around like that, don't catch her.
Okay.
So let her. That's what I was saying. Do it with the table. When you do it with the table,
It won't catch.
you'll grab her. You hit the flip it and you just come down like that. Don't grab her.
Okay. All right, hold the table then.
Oh, you might. The table ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, I might. Just please hold the table. I feel more secure. So how am I supposed to do this? Just